Here guys, this is Pattaya seafood market, and there is service for you, seafood cooking service here. You go to the market, there's a lot of seafood, any kind, buy, bring it here, and they will cook for you. And the same thing on the other side. Yeah. Alright, so let's go and see what kind of seafood they're selling. Price is good, I already can see. 240 them prawns for a kilo, of course. 50, but I don't know why they're selling like this. This one is 220. 300 them blue crabs. Or swimming crabs, they're calling it. Everything so wet. Yeah. $100. Then prawns. Yeah. Oh, I think I want one. Maybe I pick one. $3,500. And the lobsters. Yeah. Oh wow, look at it. I don't know what is it. Show something. Crabs. Yeah. You can buy here seafood, anything you like, and there is over there in the corner there is a restaurant. They will cook for you. Oh my god. I thought you can't eat them. Like hedgehogs, sea hedgehogs, size of them lobsters. Oysters, massive. Yeah. Octopus and squid. This is quite nice. Pretty fish. Massive. They're huge. Oh. Yeah, I just got one crab to cook for me in the cooking place. Who's trying to stuff my money in the purse?
Không ạ, ní nên đang không nè.
like this. Not very big, but enough for me anyway. Yes, squid and fish, quite good price, 150. Brilliant, very nice. Yeah, baby octopus, 180. Fresh vegetables. Yeah. Look at these beauties. 5,500 for a kilo. Would be very nice. Amazing price. Nice, very nice. This one a little bit smaller. Yeah, and lower price of course. This is a dry seafood. Dry shrimps, dry squid. Alright, 480 is approximately 10 pounds or 10 euros. Yeah? And this very nice, beautiful looking fish. Yeah, market quite big. Yeah. Probably all restaurants and cafes will come here, buy fresh seafood every day. Shrimps on the floor. Sorry. Jumping. Beautiful stuff for your sushimi. It's a very busy place. Look at them. I never know what is this thing. Never tried, never saw like this one. What is this precious? Maybe I get this one. Yep. I need to try. Yeah, can you have one? Yeah, just one. Yeah, just one. So many people. Look at this precious.
Ôi,
So big.
เขาจะขายของ จะขายของอะมาเล่นอะไรนักหนาไม่รู้
More crabs? I don't think it's crab season. They're very small. Winter time when you come to Thailand, there will be huge, massive crabs. It's a beef section. Okay. Right, let's go around and try to cook my crab. No, I'm going the wrong way. Alright, I've got my little crab and now I'm going to ask to cook for me. Hello? Barbecue, yes please.
Wali, Bashali.
Yeah, how much is it?
How much? 20.
70 baht.
20.
Okay,
30.
20.
30. No. 20. 20.
40 บาท
40 บาท
No problem, okay.
40อันนี้อะไรแล้วทำไม
ติดฟิกมันนะเด็ก
อ๋อ
Stuck.
แล้วทำไมให้ใช้เตาอย่างนี้
Okay.
ย่างนึ่งอันนี้
Okay.
สติม
อุ้ยเคียผมเลิกเลยว่ะตัวครึ่งโลเนี่ย
ประมาณนี้
What about this
ลอง
one?
ลอง
How you going to...
นี่บาร์บีคิวรอนิ้ว
Barbecue,
เดี๋ยวบาร์บี
okay.
คิวเฮ้ย
Ah!
อย่าเล่นนะ
71.
ติดเลยจริง
Alright.
ผมเคยแล้ว
So this is...
เคยแล้วที่ไม่มีรู้เรื่องเลยอ่ะ
They're cooking very
แต่ผม
cheap.
ว่ามันหนีบปุ๊บผมกระชากออกเลยอ่ะโอ้ที่เลือดท่วมเลย
20
อ่ะ
and 20 baht, 40 baht, it's like
ถ้า
a,
ไม่หนีบ
lesser than a pound, you know?
กระดูกกล้ามเลยถ้าไปโกนก็แบบน้ำคนปั้มอ่ะ
I just want to ask them to make it... Can they make it a little bit spicy?
not spicy
Spicy, please spicy.
not spicy spicy
Oh, you're right, sauce, yeah, okay. Don't make it spicy. Get your own sauce for that. Spicy sauce. Oysters. Right. More seafood. More prawns. Okay. Look at the size of the oysters. Massive. Bigger than my hand. Oh wow. Actually it's half open. Not very fresh, looks like. Oh wow. No, they're not very good. The oysters, they should be totally closed. If they're a little bit open, it's not very fresh. Okay.